Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gadgets hitting the market. Today, we've got something visually stunning to talk about, the Lian Li O11 Vision PC case. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. First off, let's talk about the design. The O11 Vision is a feast for the eyes, featuring tempered glass panels that allow you to showcase your build from virtually every angle. It's like a work of art for your desktop setup. But is it all style and no substance? Let's find out. Under the hood, this mid-tower case supports a range of motherboard sizes, from Mini ITX to EATX. It offers ample space for your components, with room for multiple storage drives and expansion slots for your GPU. Plus, with features like a removable motherboard tray and adjustable fan mounts, building in this case is a breeze. One standout feature of the O11 Vision is its versatility. You can configure it in different modes to optimize cooling performance or customize your build layout. And let's not forget those funky PCIe brackets. While the Vision doesn't have the external GPU fan mount like some other Lian Li cases, it does offer a micro ATX mode for optimal GPU compatibility. Now, let's talk about the build quality and user experience. The O11 Vision is solidly built, with plenty of room for cable management and storage devices. Plus, with its removable panels and easy-to-access components, assembling your rig is a breeze. However, I have to admit, all those visible screws and thumb screws give it a slightly industrial look. When it comes to performance, the O11 Vision holds its own. While it doesn't come with pre-installed fans, it runs surprisingly well even under heavy load. And with support for water cooling setups, you can take your cooling game to the next level. Question of the day: so, what's the verdict? The Lian Li O11 Vision is undeniably a stunning case, offering a perfect canvas to showcase your build. But with its premium price tag and somewhat lackluster design, it may not be the best value for everyone. However, if you're willing to splurge for style and customization options, the O11 Vision might just be the perfect fit for your next build. And there you have it, folks, our take on the Lian Li O11 Vision. What are your thoughts on this sleek and stylish case? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy building!